Most people scroll Pinterest looking for recipes and home decor ideas. A small group of people use it to quietly pull in $1,000, $3,000, even $10,000 a month without showing their face, without making videos, and without a single follower when they started. You're not here for the inspiration boards. You're here because you want to make real money. So let me show you exactly how this works, step by step, starting from zero. No fluff, no theory, just what actually works in 2026. Here's what makes Pinterest different from every other platform right now. When you post on Instagram or TikTok, your content dies in 48 hours. Nobody sees it again. On Pinterest, a single pin can keep bringing you traffic and money for months, sometimes years. Pinterest is a search engine. People go there with buying intent. They're searching best budget laptop 2026, home gym ideas under $500, simple meal prep for weight loss. They're already looking for answers. Your job is to be the answer and get paid for it. Pinterest has over 500 million monthly active users, and most creators are ignoring it. That's your advantage. There are three main ways to make money on Pinterest. You need to understand all three, then pick one to start. First is affiliate marketing. You pin an image, someone clicks it, they buy a product, you earn a commission. You don't create the product, you don't handle shipping, you just connect people to things they already want to buy. Second is driving traffic to your blog or website. Pinterest sends people to your site runs ads or sells something, you get paid. This one takes a little longer to set up, but it scales very well. Third is selling your own digital products. Ebooks, templates, guides, courses, you create it once, Pinterest sends buyers to you continuously. This is the highest margin option if you have something to sell. For someone starting from zero today, affiliate marketing is the fastest path to your first income. That's what we'll focus on. Go to Pinterest and create a business account. It's free. A business account gives you analytics, the ability to add links to your pins, and access to features a personal account doesn't have. Pick a niche. This is non-negotiable. Pinterest rewards focused accounts. Don't make a general account about everything. Pick one topic and own it. Good niches in 2026 include personal finance, home organization, fitness, food and recipes, parenting, and digital tools or software. Pick a niche you can create content about consistently and that has products people buy. Both conditions matter. Fill out your profile. Use a clear profile name that includes a P word, something like budget living tips or home gym ideas. Add a profile image, even if it's just a clean logo. Then claim your website if you have one. If you don't, that's fine for now. You can still do affiliate marketing without a website. To do affiliate marketing, you need affiliate links. Here's where to get them. Amazon Associates is the easiest starting point. You can get affiliate links for virtually any product on Amazon and earn a percentage of every sale that comes through your link. Share a Sale and Impact are platforms that connect you with hundreds of brands across every niche. Most approve beginners. Sign up, apply to programs in your niche, and start promoting. ClickBank is great for digital products like courses and ebooks. Commissions are often 30 to 50% per sale. And many companies run their own affiliate programs directly. If there's a brand in your niche you trust, Google the brand name plus affiliate program, and you'll usually find one. Pick 2 or 3 products relevant to your niche. Don't promote everything. Promote things you'd actually recommend because your credibility is the asset here. This is where most beginners go wrong. They create pins that look nice but don't get clicked. A pin needs to do one thing: make someone stop scrolling and want more information. Your pin has 2 parts, the image and the title. For images, use Canva. It's free and has Pinterest templates built in. Use vertical images. The standard size is 1000 by 1500 pixels. Use bold, high-contrast text. Keep the design clean and simple. Avoid clutter. For the title, be specific and benefit-driven. How to save $500 this month using Amazon beats money-saving tips every single time. 5 home gym products under $100 that actually work beats home gym ideas. Tell people exactly what they're getting. Write a description for every pin.
Include the keywords someone would actually type when searching for that topic. Pinterest uses these to decide who to show your pin to. And end every description with a reason to click. Get the full list here. See the complete guide. Check the link for the breakdown. That link goes directly to your affiliate product or to a blog post where you've reviewed it. Consistency matters more than volume. When you're starting out, aim for 5 to 10 pins per day. Most of those can be repins of other people's content mixed with your own original pins. Use Tailwind. It's a scheduling tool built specifically for Pinterest. You load up your pins, set a schedule, and it distributes them throughout the day automatically. This saves hours every week. Create multiple pins for the same product or post. Change the image, change the title, keep the link the same. You're not spamming, you're testing what resonates. The pin that performs will get pushed by Pinterest's algorithm to more people. Organize your content into boards. Each board should have a clear theme tied to your niche. Pinterest uses boards as context signals. They help the algorithm understand what your account is about. Pin to your best boards first, then to group boards. Group boards are shared boards where multiple creators contribute, and they can expand your reach significantly, especially early on. Pinterest is not instant. That's the honest truth. Most people see meaningful traffic in 60 to 90 days, some sooner, some later. But unlike social media platforms where you're always chasing the algorithm, once your pins start ranking on Pinterest, they keep working. The people who give up in week 3 never find out that they were 2 months away from traffic that runs on autopilot. Here's what realistic progress looks like. In the first 30 days, you're building the foundation: account, niche, content. In days 31 to 60, you start seeing impressions and early clicks. By day 90, if you've been consistent, you'll have enough data to double down on what's working and cut what isn't. Here's your action plan for this week. Create your Pinterest business account today. Pick your niche, sign up for one affiliate program. Amazon Associates is the easiest first step. Design your first 5 pins in Canva. Post them. That's it. Don't wait until everything is perfect. The people making money on Pinterest right now didn't have it figured out when they started. They just started. If you want to go deeper, I've covered affiliate marketing, digital products, and building income online in other videos on this channel. Check those out next. And if this was useful, hit subscribe. I put out content exactly like this every week. See you in the next one.